Oh my gosh, there's something going on out here. I just heard three strange sounds really loud, and I now hear people in the background, like over a loud intercom talking. It sounds like they're saying surrender. Oh no. Could this be it? Could this be the end? Please, don't let it be the end. They said it was coming, but oh, shh, shh. What the hell is that? Oh my gosh. I think they're here. I wouldn't ride that way if I were you. I was going towards the sounds. Shh. They're saying surrender your... Huh? Surrender your something. Lay down your arms. Oh my gosh. I don't see nothing in the sky, so it can't be here. Oh, well, I guess it is. It's kind of cloudy outside. Let me walk over here. I hope a damn UFO didn't land. What the hell was that sound? You know, I heard on before about strange sounds around the world. Am I going through that now? Oh no, they're coming to get me. Shoot. I guess I better go to the grocery store and stock up. And be a pepper too. Oh. I always wanted to try to be a pepper. Or no, prepper. I'm sorry. Not pepper. Prepper. I don't hear no more. Maybe they got them. Or just people running down the street. I don't know. Now there's somebody that's jogging. Shit. I don't know what the hell it was. That car sounded about to break down. If I hear anything else about it, I guess I'll post it. I saw some strange lights in the sky, which I got on my other video. Oh gosh, I hope it's not happening. Oh man, maybe they got them. Earlier I seen a military truck flying down the street, street. I don't know. Maybe I'll find out and post it something about it later. Well, y'all have a good day, and I hope I can make it to the grocery store and the bread and milk's good still there. Oh no. Bye.